broadcast of the tractor trailer parade getting set to get underway here in Fillmore Turner Hall. This live broadcast brought to you by American Commercial Real Estate. This is a benefit today for Wade Muth. He's a little boy out of the Fillmore area who is recovering from cancer. I think he's about 2 years old. Great turnout. Jenny Newman just organizing this, and a really fine turnout for the family. There's an event going on after the parade, so everybody's welcome to come on out. There's going to be raffles, tons of raffle items, music, food. 100% of the money goes to the Muth family to help them with medical bills. We're waiting for this tractor with the big blade. I don't know if you were able to see it. It says Wade, the Muth family, tough times, tough people. A lot of activity going on inside. If you're out, the parade is going to go through the Fillmore area, the Newburgh area, and then come on back. Wade's grandpa, George, has him in his tractor with a cab. They're trying to beat the rain here today. The weather turned out a little bit, kind of cool. We don't want to miss the start of the parade here. I'll try and get you a close-up. There's Wade sitting in the back of the tractor with his grandpa right under the flag there. If you're just joining us, we're at Fillmore Turner Hall at the benefit for Wade Muth. There's a big tractor truck parade that's heading out right now. This is a benefit for the Muth family, and why the tractors and the trucks is because the little boy loves tractors and trucks. Holy smokes. Here's George Muth and his grandson Wade. Still have a couple other trucks pulling out, but you've been watching a live broadcast of the tractor trailer parade here at fundraiser Fillmore Turner Hall for Wade Muth and his family. Wade's a little boy about 2 years old coming back from a bout with cancer. This live broadcast is brought to you by American Commercial Real Estate. Watch for a full story later on at WashingtonCountyInsider.com.